now. India
Let's
versus New Zealand,
not talk about it. Let's not talk about it because it's a quarterfinal.
See, I'm if you ask me, Aryan, if you ask me the way the things are going nowadays in the World Cup, I am pretty scared because see, if New Zealand wins the toss, then again New Zealand is going to chase second, and that will be problematic. I think India has to prepare for the bowling second. Prepare for the bowling second.
I will go with a contradictory statement. New Zealand are the favorites going into tomorrow's game. There are very clear reasons for that. They have the available resources, more available resources than India. They are covered in most of the aspects. What do India have? They don't have the sixth bowling option. I mean the fifth or sixth, whatever bowling option. Virat Kohli is saying, I can chip in as the sixth bowling option. What does that mean? You're so short on bowling that five bowlers go for runs and then you're shell shocked. India looked helpless. That is the word for me. Helpless against Pakistan. Correct. They did not have an option where to, and see, all of that comes down to Jasprit Bumrah, man. Bhuvneshwar out of form. Shami had an off day. He kind of blows hot and cold in T20s. When he has a very good day, he has a very good day. So in the end, and the spinners, what are they doing? Bowling in the second innings. Chakravarti not gripping the ball. Jadeja is a container. He's not a wicket taker for me in limited overs. And Bumrah is your best bowler, and you don't give him the ball in the opening six. Virat Kohli looked helpless, and I'm very scared because this batting lineup also is very dependent on the top three. If the top three fail again, I don't see this batting lineup recovering from.
And Aryan, also, would you bring in Ishan Kishan instead of Hardik Pandya? If he can't bowl, would they go with extra
the truth is, Pawan, the things that should happen will not happen. This should happen. This needs to happen. Bhuvneshwar needs to go out. Shardul Thakur needs to come in. Ishan Kishan is being wasted on the bench. Hardik Pandya not bowling. I don't know what he's doing. Teams have figured him out. Keep mid off him. Keep mid on him. Keep a third man out. Bowl into his body. He's then done pretty much. Bowl is short pitch bowling to him, and I'm just saying the truth, not because I hate India or anything. It is the truth, and we as Indian fans are concerned about it. If India win tomorrow, then only I see, because Afghanistan are playing Namibia, guys. Afghanistan play Namibia in the afternoon. They will win pretty good, I think, and that will give their run rate, which is already good, a huge boost. So India needs to win. India needs to win comprehensively. India needs to take care of the run rate. So, tomorrow's game is a crunch one. Yeah.
Dipanshu, thoughts? What changes will you make from the playing 11? Nitish, wait for a while. Dipanshu, what changes will you make for tomorrow's match, considering New Zealand are favorites and they have beaten India always in the 2020 World Cup matches? So, any changes you're going to make tomorrow for India?
I would make two changes. I will drop Bhuvneshwar Kumar and bring Ravichandran Ashwin. And in place of Sky, I will bring Ishan Kishan.
Okay, bold statement. So, Nitish, thoughts on this Indian team tomorrow, and what do you expect from India against this mighty New Zealand team? Because this is do or die battle, I think, between both these teams. So, Nitish, thoughts on India form going ahead for tomorrow?
India has to prepare for the bowling second because you don't have control over toss. I think if India bat first, they need to make 20-30 runs plus whatever the total they will make. If they will make in excess of 170, 180, around 170, 180, I think they need to prepare for the bowling second, and they need to bring back Shardul Thakur in place of Varun Chakravarti, because Varun Chakravarti, I don't see him in the pressure situation that he will be economical. There is no doubt about that. But mystery spinner, we have seen what is happening in this tournament to the mystery spinner.
Why not? Why are you sticking with Bhuvneshwar Kumar then? Because his form is a real concern right now.
No, but you can expect, being experienced guy, you can expect Bhuvneshwar to bowl economical over and get you few wickets. Not more. I'm not talking of 4 wickets, 3 wickets. at least 1 or 2 wickets, especially in the initial phase, first 6 overs. And Shardul Thakur will be the key. Aryan, Shardul Thakur को खिलाना पड़ेगा. Shardul Thakur has to be in the playing 11.
And I want to talk about
Ashwin.
Yeah. Sorry for a second.
One spinner is Jadeja is good. One spinner is good. I think they have to go for that one only.
And Aryan, I think Rohit Sharma's form against left-arm seamers is pretty bad. Getting out from Shaheen Shah Afridi also in that previous match.
Bolt has said that he will try and emulate Shaheen Shah Afridi, what he did, and I think Rohit. He's an experienced player to know what went wrong, how he played that ball, and don't talk about Trent Bolt, man. Don't remind me of that World Cup. Yeah, just joking. No. New Zealand are a good team. Let's discuss New Zealand actually.
See, one thing Aryan has said correctly, that New Zealand have got all the bases covered. This is ground reality. This is true. But if India somehow managed to get rid of those guys, Trent Bolt and Southino, first 4 to 5 overs safely, I think India will march along from then onwards.
And also another news is that Adam Milne is back instead of Lockie Ferguson, who sustained injury. So Adam Milne had a terrific 100. The 100. He's in good form right now. So Adam Milne coming back. Aryan, do you think it's straight come back to the playing level instead of Ferguson?
I think Adam Milne, Tim Southee, Trent Bolt, Istodi Mid-Santner, and Daryl Mitchell.
Jimmy Neesham, I think.
Jimmy Neesham, yeah. So I think New Zealand can afford to really drop one spinner in a ground like Dubai, and they can go with pacers because I think Mitchell and Santner both played, right? If I'm not wrong, the last game.
Yeah.
So either you drop one of those and keep two spinners, or you drop one spinner and bring an extra pacer. They have Kyle Jamieson didn't play the last game, so they have so many options to choose from. I think they'll just see the pitch and then select their 11 accordingly.
Yeah,
and
especially I think the weak point for New Zealand is that opening pair between Mitchell and Guptill. I think that's where the Indian bowlers, especially if Bumrah and most probably Shardul Thakur was Aryan.
Conway should open. Simple as that. Devon Conway should open the innings with Martin Guptill. Right-left combination. Conway is a very compact batsman. He can easily take advantage of the power play because he has those grounded drives to hit the gap, and Mitchell is a good enough batsman. This was the first time he opened for New Zealand, right? After 100 and something ridiculous innings. So I don't know what Mitchell did at the top of the order. So maybe Conway opening with Guptill is the change I want to see for New Zealand. Yeah.
And predictions for India versus New Zealand, I don't want to because this is a do or die battle right now. It's very tough. We have to see on the pitch as well.
I'm saying New Zealand will go in as favorites, but I'm just hoping that India break the jinx and win because after all they have performed. This is a good team in T20 cricket, but again the ground reality is that they have not had the balance since that Hardik Pandya's injury, and one man missing from this squad is Yuzvendra Chahal. You picked Rahul Chahar over him, you didn't even play him, and the selectors are going to get stick for this after the tournament. Just wait for
do you think Ashwin can play tomorrow? For tomorrow's match, would he
could ideally play. If India feel like New Zealanders have left-handers, Neesham, Conway, they have quite a few. So better play Ashwin. That gives you the batting also. You don't have depth in the batting. And maybe knock for Chakravarti, that is an option. So we'll see what happens.
Dipanshu, predictions of India versus New Zealand, what do you expect? If India lose the toss actually and New Zealand chooses to field, if that happens, what will be, what's the situation that India will be? What target, what score should they post if they do bat first? Let's just see if that reality just happens in case, if they lose the toss, Dipanshu,
250. I think my only concern is not with the Trent Bolt and Southee. India have to take Williamson as early as they can because Williamson has a great record against India. He didn't give his wicket easily. I think if they take the wicket of Williamson, India will win this match.
And
And
Nitish
New
starts
Zealand
on
are the
tomorrow's.
favorites.
Yeah, Nitish starts on tomorrow's match, and who are you backing
See,
for tomorrow?
everybody is saying New Zealand favorite this time. In India-Pakistan game, India were the favorites, and we were so relaxed that okay, India is on paper is a very strong side, and this time around, being a pressure game, India will win this surely.
Yeah, let's just quickly go through one or two